Okay, in this video we'll be talking about time frames. Time frames. Time frames. Yeah? If you remember in the first video we talked about the lady that sells tomatoes, and we said she starts her trading activity from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. right? And everything that happened on that day gave her the open price, and then she had the highest price of that period, and she had the lowest price of that period, and she also had the close price, the price she closed and then left for the day. So in reality, using the lady as an example again, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is a time frame. So a time frame of 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and in this case is a 12-hour time frame, right? So if we represented everything that happened in that 12-hour time frame, we can still say that in that time she had a high price, she had a low price, and she had price open at a, so that would be an open, the close, the low, and the high. So everything else happened in between this time. So that is a time frame. So every single candle you see on your chart represents a time frame. So everything that happens within that time frame is within this candlestick. This candle. So if this were a green candle, if you remember, a green candle represents a candle where the close price is higher than the open price, which means that price actually went up in that time frame, right? So we have a candle like that. In Forex trading, typically using the MetaTrader 4 platform, we have various time frames. So we have the 1 minute time frame, which is represented as M1. Then we have the 5 minutes time frame. We have the 15 minutes time frame. We have the 30 minutes time frame. There is the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. Right? And all that simply means is that in the minute time frame, that we watch what price does from second 1 to second 60, 59, 60. So it's a 60-second period. So what has price done in that 60-second period? So in the one minute time frame, 60-second period, there will be an open price, there will also be a high price, there will be a low price, and there will be a close price in that 1 minute period. Then if we look again at the 5 minute period, same thing. That at the beginning of the 5 minute period, minute 1 till minute 5, transactions happening, there will be an open price, a high price, a low price, and a closed price. So when you come to the chart and you get to your M1 time frame, you will see candlesticks that all look similar to this. They all look similar to themselves. So they're either a green candle or a red candle, but the candle looks the same from one time frame to the other. The only difference is we know that in a 1 minute time frame, that candle opened and closed within 1 minute. In a 5 minute candle, we know that that candle opened and closed in 5 minutes. In a 30-minute candle, we know that that candle, in a 30-minute time frame, we know that that candle opened and closed in a 30-minute period. Same if it was a daily time frame, it means that each of the candles on a daily time frame opened and closed within a 24-hour, 1 day time period, same as the month. And so looking at the chart right now, we can see that the 1 minute time frame looks exactly like the 5 minute time frame, and the 5 minute time frame looks exactly like the 1 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame looks exactly like the daily time frame. Like I said previously, the only difference is we now know that for each of those time frames, the candle closes, opens and closes within that time period. Okay, so once again, if you have any questions, please ask just within the comment section of this video, or send us an email at admin@5talentstrader.com. Until next time, stay safe, be disciplined, and let's speak soon. Cheers.